As the Ukrainian drone army keeps on targeting Russian transport vehicle, this time a FPV drone was after a transport van. As the drone catches up to the vehicle, the drone hits the van well on the side, causing a fire in the fuel tank and the tank to leak, leaving a fire trail after the vehicle. As the crew doesn't seem to realize the van is on fire, they keep on driving. Even manages to make a turn with a fire trail behind them. As the vehicle and fuel burn up, it gets destroyed, making sure another of Russia's transport vehicle is destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.